Good morning, students. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone second? Yes. Yes. See, this is the internal diagram for IC. Okay. That is, and dear student, if you have any doubts, any suggestion, you can. If you have any doubt, you can ask during session. Okay. Unmute and you can see. This is about AND gate. AND gate. What is the IC number? 74 Code 2. Then OR gate 7432, NAND gate 7400, 7402 is NOR gate. Okay. Then XOR gate 7486, 74 series, and 54 series only for military purpose. Okay. Then 7404 is NOT gate, X gate. X means it consists of 6 gates: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then today I will explain about the how we can convert NOR gate into basic gates, and this is then I will take just a review of a previous lecture. See, in previous lecture we learn about how we can convert NAND gate into basic gate. Okay, then see, this is can you tell me this is which type of basic gate? Anyone? First diagram, this diagram I will write here. Yes, anyone? Okay. See, suppose here input is A. I different color. Yes, here. Suppose here input is A. Then Y, that is output, we can write A bar. Is it correct? And Y equal to A bar is Boolean equation of NOT gate. Therefore, this is equivalent diagram for NOT gate. Understood, dear student? And what is the symbol of NOT gate? This is symbol of NOT gate. Okay, A bar, Y equal to A bar. Okay, see. Suppose, see, this is your figure A. Suppose this is your figure B and figure C. Suppose figure B, say then figure B, A and B are inputs. Here we can write output of gate 1. Can I write like this? A into B whole bar. Is it correct? Anyone
Yes,
say
sir.
yes? Very good. Therefore, output of gate 2 for figure B can be written as AB double bar, and AB double bar is equal to AB, which is which is output of AND gate, which is output of AND gate. Therefore, here we can write this is equivalent to AND gate, and symbol of AND is this A B and Y equal to A into B. Okay, this is equivalent to NOT gate. This is equivalent to AND gate. And the next figure C. This is just I am taking a review of previous lecture. See figure C. Suppose this is input A for gate 1, input B for gate 2. Then of output can be written as A bar. Output of gate 2 can be written as
B bar.
B bar. Very good. And therefore, this is your B bar. And therefore, here final output of gate 3 can be written as Y equal to A bar into B bar whole bar. Okay, and that can be written as, using De Morgan's theorem, A double bar, instead of into we can write plus. We can replace into by plus and B double bar. And double bar of A is A itself plus Double bar of B is B, which is equivalent to OR gate, because see, therefore for OR gate we can write like this: A, B, and Y equal to A plus B. Thus, we can convert a NAND gate into NOT, and
And
OR.
all.
Uh, and these are the procedure steps to convert NAND into basic gates. Thus, we can say NAND is referred to as universal gate. Okay. Next point is, now we can convert NOR gate into basic gate. See how we can convert. Shall I proceed, dear student? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now see how we can convert. See, uh, this is internal diagram of NOR gate. One is output. Suppose uh, here I'll write. Suppose here I'll write small a, b, and c and d. Means this is your NOR gate. Can you tell me what is the IC number for NOR gate? Anyone? IC number of NOR gate.
Sir, didn't remember.
See, IC number of NOR gate. I will show. Don't worry. See, what is the IC number for NOR gate? 7402. 7402. Okay. Therefore, see, next point is here we'll convert. See, this is your internal diagram of NOR gate 7402. One is output, 2 and 3 inputs. For B gate, 4 is output, 5 and 6 for input. 7 is ground. C, 9 and 8 are inputs, and we can take output at pin number 10. For D gate, 11 and 12 indicates inputs, and pin number 13 is output, and 14 number is power supply, VCC. Understood, dear student? Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you have any question, you can ask and see this is power supply of 5 volt. Okay. Now I will show how we can convert. First, I will show NOR into NOT. Okay. See, we know that NOR is combination of, dear student, NOR is a combination of NOT gate and OR
And
gate.
OR gate.
Okay. Therefore, here I will write NOR is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. Okay. एक minute. Okay, student, NOR is combination of not and NOR. Okay, and now we will convert into not. See how we can convert. See, this is symbol of NOR gate. See, this is symbol of NOR gate. Okay, A, B, and Y equal to, we can write here A plus B whole bar. Okay, understood, dear student? Okay,
Yes, sir.
see, now our aim is to convert this NOR gate into NOT. Therefore, see here again, I will draw one more symbol, okay, and I will short inputs A and B. See, therefore, here I will write A and thus Y equal to A bar, okay, and this is the uh, conversion of NOR gate into NOT gate, which is equivalent to not A देखो, okay, Y equal to A bar. Understood? And this is the procedure to convert uh, NOR into NOT. Okay? Yes. Then see the circuit diagram. This is your 5 volts power supply. Okay? See. Then first I will connect pin number 14 to see. This is your plus. Red indicates plus and this is your minus. Okay? Therefore, I will connect first, then see how we can connect or how we can convert NOR gate into NOT gate using IC 7402. Okay, see, first I will connect red, that is 5 volt to plus VCC. Okay, and pin number 7 to, yes, anyone? Pin number 7 to what?
Pin number 7 minus.
Yes, yes, pin number 7 to ground. Pin number 7 to ground. See how we can convert or connect pin number 7. See, I will use a different color. Pin number 7. See, understood up to this level? First connect pin number 14 to plus VCC and 7 to the ground. Okay, that is negative. Okay, see, then for conversion of NOR into NOT, you should short any two inputs of gate. Okay, suppose I will take here gate A. Therefore, order the inputs for gate A, pin number 2 and pin number 3. Therefore, I will take one wire from pin number 2 and I will connect to pin number 3. And then I will take one wire from junction of 2 and 3, and then here I will connect then wire to 1 or plus VCC and 0 volt. Okay, see, and 1 2, yes, anyone say can, and pin number 1 to
Ground.
pin number 1 to the digital voltmeter DVM and then ground. Okay, DVM means digital voltmeter. Pin number 1 is output of NOR gate, output of A, and here see the circuit connection. Okay, in exam you can see, suppose a question is like this, how you convert a NOR gate into NOT gate, then draw this diagram. Okay, draw this diagram. I will use a laser pointer. See, for this case draw this diagram. See, only this part. लेजर पॉइंटर दिख रहा है? एनीवन? हेलो स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
draw only this diagram. Okay, and for circuit connection you should draw like this. Okay, and this is about the NOR into NOT. Next point is next gate. I will shift this. Yes, understood up to this level. Can I proceed for next point? If you have any question, you can
Yes, sir.
ask, dear student. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay.
सर आईसी ना आईसी तो बहुत छोटी होती है, तो वो मीटर जो आपने बोला डीवी मीटर, वो भी तो बहुत छोटा होता है।
नहीं, आईसी छोटा होता है, मीटर थोड़ा बड़ा होता है। आई विल शो डिजिटल वोल्ट मीटर। ओके
सर सब आईसी के अलग अलग यूजेस होते हैं ना, जो आपने मतलब
आईसी का, यस, आईसी का क्या?
मतलब डिफरेंट यूजेस होते हैं ना, मतलब जितने भी टाइप्स के आपने
हाँ हाँ, यस यस, उसका साइज सबका जनरली सेम ही रहता है, फंक्शन अलग अलग रहता है। ओके,
यस सर।
so next is I will take next. This is not. Then we will check for next gate. Then see, NOR into OR. See how we can convert NOR into OR. See, okay, see, I will use a different color. Okay, see, NOR into OR. See, first draw symbol of NOR. A, B, Y equal to here A plus B whole bar. Okay, yes. Therefore, our aim is to convert NOR into OR. First draw symbol, basic symbol of NOR gate. Then see how we can convert NOR into OR. See, A, B, A, B are inputs. Then I will connect one more NOR gate, shorted NOR gate. Okay, see, here you will get output is equal to A plus B whole bar, and final output, that is Y equal to, dear student, A plus B double bar. Is it correct? See the diagram.
यस सर।
Therefore, A plus B double bar means A plus B, and which is equivalent to OR gate. Which gate? OR gate. And this is the circuit diagram for or conversion of NOR into OR. Okay. Yes. And for conversion of NOR into OR, you should draw this diagram. Then see how we can connect NOR into OR using IC 7402, using IC NOR gate. See, here we should use total number of require total number of gates equal to 2. Therefore, I will here, suppose I will here write gate A and gate B. Here I will mention A, B, C, and D. Okay. Therefore, here your diagram, your left hand side, that is the logical representation. Here I will directly write pin number. See, I will use a different color for, yes, gate A. Gate A, suppose here I will write pin number 2. Here I will write pin number 3. Output is 1. Then B, for B, inputs are 5 and 6. 5 and 6, and output is 4. Okay, write like this, and then see pin number 2 and 3. Pin number 2 means A, input A. First I will connect pin number 14 to plus VCC. Okay, and pin number 7 to what? Anyone say? Hello student. Pin number 7
Yes,
to
sir.
pin number 7 to
Pin number 7 to ground.
very good, very good, ground. Therefore, I will take one wire from pin number 7. See, okay, this is the basic connection. Then pin number 7 to ground, matlab negative. Okay, then I will take
सर
one
इसको
wire.
मैं सॉल्व कर सकता
Hello.
I can solve
Yes,
this
yes, yes. You
means I
can solve,
can
no problem. I will
convert.
give you homework. Don't worry. First, I will show. Then you can do. Okay. See. Then pin number 2 is input A. Therefore, I will take one wire from input A. A. One wire from input B. Okay. Then connect wire from pin number 1 to what? Hello, students.
Connect pin number 1 to 5 and 6
Very
both.
good. Take one wire from first short 5 and 6. I will use different color so you can easily differentiate. I will use see first short 5 and 6. Okay, and take wire from one. Take wire from one and connect to this dot indicates junction or connection. Okay, yes. See 1, 2, 5 and 6. And what is the final output? Dear student,
4.
final output is at 4. Therefore, I will take wire. I will use a different color. Then take wire from pin number 4, and here I'll take, yes, what is the output here? DVM. Okay, plus digital voltmeter. And here I can connect A to 1. 1 means power supply, 0, and B 1 or 0. Yes, okay. Dear student, yes, any doubt up to this level? This is power supply. Hello student. Can I proceed for next point? That is NOR into last is AND gate.
Sir.
Yes, any doubt up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No.
okay. Then next point is NOR into AND. See how we can connect NOR into AND. Yes, can you tell me what is the uh, what is the Boolean equation for AND gate? Anyone? What is the Boolean equation for AND gate?
Y is equals to A into B.
Perfect, perfect. Y equal to A into B. See, therefore, next point is NOR into AND. See how we can connect or how we can convert NOR into AND. Yes, nor into and we know that and equation and Boolean equation, that is y equal to ab, where a and b are inputs. Okay, see, first I will draw basic symbol of nor a b y equal to a plus b whole bar. Okay, then see, conversion of nor into and for this conversion we need three gates. See how we can connect, uh, how we can convert nor into and. I will write here a b c and d. See, first I will take one nor for a bar, then b b bar. Okay, see, and I will take one more nor gate. See, therefore here I will write a b and c, and output of c can be written as y equal to a bar plus b bar whole bar. Is it correct? See, a bar plus b bar whole bar. Therefore, a bar, see here I will show y equal to, we have y equal to a bar plus b bar whole bar can be written as a bar bar means a double bar, instead of plus we can write into and b double bar. What is the a double bar? A double bar is a itself, a into b, and a into b is, yes dear student, a into b is equivalent to which gate? AND gate. Y equal to ab, and this is, I will use eraser. uh, I will shift this screen is visible dear student, and hence y equal to ab. Okay, means this is the conversion of nor into AND gate. Yes dear, understood up to this level dear student? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means in exam we'll ask how convert nor into basic gate, so you should draw all these. Okay, then see, uh, circuit connections using IC. Okay, see, for this we need three gates, therefore A B C, we can use ABC, and same procedure, 14, pin number 14 to plus VCC, pin number 7 to ground or to the negative. See, I will use different color. Okay, see, for plus VCC I will use red color. Okay, for pin number for negative I'll use black color. Pin number 7, take one wire from 7, connect to pin number negative terminal. Then AB, then here I will write pin number, see, 2, 3, A here 1, then for B 5, 6, 5, 6. Then here 4. Next is C. For C, 9, 8. 9, 8. And pin number 10. Dear student, understood up to this level? Can I proceed for next point? Hello,
Yes, sir.
student.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
dear student, if you have any question, a query, suggestion, immediately tell me. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
see. So for A input, first short 2 and 3.
सर आपने 7 नहीं लिखा.
ओके बेटा, कौन सा? हेलो,
ये 7 की जरूरत नहीं है, 7 तो ग्राउंड है.
7 ग्राउंड है एंड 14 प्लस VCC ऑलरेडी मैंने कनेक्ट ही किया है ना. डियर
सॉरी
स्टूडेंट,
सर.
हेलो, देखो ना.
सॉरी.
अरे नो प्रॉब्लम, नाइस नाइस क्वेरी, सुपर क्वेरी. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा. ओके, तो 7 and 14, 14 is plus VCC and 7 is ground, already connected. Okay, see your right hand side. Yes, no problem. First, for input A, first short pin number 2 and 3, and then take wire from shorted input to say. Therefore, I will take one wire. A, and this can be connected to 1. 1 means power supply and 0 means ground. Then short 5 and 6.
सर एक डाउट है.
एक मिनट है बेटा, एक मिनट. हाँ बोल बेटा.
सर ये जो कनेक्शन निकला है 2 और 3 को शॉर्ट करने के बाद वो 1 से भी कनेक्ट हो रहा है, 0 से, मतलब एक ही टाइम पे दो जगह से कैसे कनेक्ट हो सकता है,
नहीं नहीं
ग्राउंड
नहीं,
से भी?
इसलिए मैंने देखो, देर इज डिफरेंस. देखो मैंने एक पूरा सॉलिड लाइन किया है और एक डैश लाइन किया है. इज इट करेक्ट?
हाँ.
लाइन में देखो मैंने दो डिफरेंस रखा है. लाइन में क्या डिफरेंस रखा है? एक मैंने पूरा सॉलिड रखा है और दूसरा मैंने डैश डैश दिया है. तो सॉलिड लाइन मतलब कनेक्ट टू 1 पहले, डैश मतलब वो निकाल के अब 0 को कनेक्ट करो. एक एक टाइम पे 1 एंड 0 को कनेक्शन नहीं होता है,
ओके
अदरवाइज वो
सर.
शॉर्ट होगा.
हाँ वही सोच रहा था.
नहीं नहीं, गुड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर क्वेरी एंड गुड क्वेश्चन. अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस लेवल? मतलब
थैंक
क्या,
यू सर.
पहले 1 को कनेक्ट करो, बाद में देन रिमूव फ्रॉम 1 एंड कनेक्ट, यू कैन कनेक्ट टू 0. सी डियर स्टूडेंट, 1 मींस क्या? 1 मींस प्लस 5 वोल्ट एंड
हाँ
0 मींस,
वोल्ट.
yes, plus 5 volt, and 0 means pin
ग्राउंड.
number ground, pin number 7. 1 means pin number 14. I will show, I will take a recording of this experiment, and I will show. Don't worry, don't worry. ठीक है, मैं I will show recording. Yes. तो A B हुआ. Yes. What is the output of gate A, small a, pin number 1? How is the output of gate B, pin number 4?
4.
Pin
4.
number 1 is connected to pin number 9. Is it correct? देखो,
यस सर.
Yes sir.
so I will take one wire from 1 and connect to the pin number 9. Okay. So I will use different color so we can easily differentiate. See, are you enjoying? Hello students.
यस सर.
So one same, I will take one wire from 1. See, one wire from 1. This is jumper, and I will connect to pin number 9. See. Understood, dear student? Next is what? Next is pin number. Take one wire from pin number 4 and connect to pin number. Yes, anyone?
4 to 8
Very good.
and
I
1
will
to
use
9.
again a different color so we can easily differentiate. Take 4. Take one wire from 4. And dear student, after completion of my lecture, please try to draw all these diagrams. Okay, I will share all these notes First I will convert into PDF and then I will show.
हाँ.
Okay? करेंगे ना? Hello students. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
एक हुआ and final output is
मैंने लास्ट वाला ड्रॉ किया है, फर्स्ट के दो नहीं किए हैं.
wow, nice, superb. And then final output is at pin number 10. Then I will use one more different color, blue color, and pin number 10. Take one wire from pin number 10, and this is connected to, dear student, DVM. Is it correct? And this is
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
C. Okay, and this is about the conversion of NOR gate into AND gate, and this is your circuit diagram. Hope there is, I think, no doubt or query up to this level. Okay, and this is about the conversion of NOR into NOT. See, NOR into NOT, OR and AND. Okay, yes, yes. Any doubt up to this level, dear students? See, this is your conversion of your NOR into NOT, that is inverter. NOT is also known as inverter gate. Then this is OR gate, and last one is NOR into AND gate, and hence NOR is referred to as NOR universal gate. Okay, student, can I proceed for next point?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, nice. And next point is exclusive OR gate. See, see your left hand side is internal structure of exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate is also known as XOR gate. Dear student, can I take 5 or 10 minutes more, if possible? इसके बाद आपका लेक्चर है किसी का?
Yes, sir.
मेरा
किसका है?
Yes, sir. Maths.
Mathematics at what time?
10.
Okay, 10. Okay, no problem. So exclusive OR gate is also known as, also I will use laser pointer, XOR gate. Laser pointer दिख रहा है? Yes or no, student?
yes sir.
वेरी गुड, नाइस. देखो आपके लिए मैं क्या क्या यूज कर रहा हूँ. ओके, तो वैसा ही आप बहुत अच्छा स्टडी करो, और वैसे तो आप ब्रिलियंट ही है. ओके, तो
Thank you,
एक्सक्लूसिव
sir.
और XOR गेट. ओके, and IC number is 7486. In exam I'll ask what is the IC number for XOR gate, so you should select 7486. After completion of this unit I will take your online exam. Okay, so you can use all these my notes for examination. Yes, and your right hand side is logical symbol of exclusive OR gate, that is XOR gate. See the symbol. And if here A and B are inputs, and what is the output of exclusive OR? That is, I'll write here y equal to, see, y equal to A is XOR B. This is symbol is read as XOR, or you can write here EX OR. Okay, and what is the, see, A XOR B, also we can write A B bar plus A bar B, means y equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, see, then I will show truth table. See, dear student, here total number of inputs. Here total number of inputs. Here I'll write total number of inputs is equal to 2. Is it correct? Hello student.
Yes, sir.
A
Yes, sir.
and B are inputs. Therefore, I'll write total number of inputs equal to 2. Okay. And there is one formula, that is outputs is equal to O dash P means O slash P means outputs is equal to 2 raised to n. And what is the n? N means number of inputs. Here I'll write n means number of inputs. I slash P is means input. Then can I write like this, dear student? 2 raised to 2. Is it correct? Because 2 is number of inputs.
Absolutely, sir.
Therefore, 2 raised to 2 is your 4. Therefore, dear student, truth table means which indicates input as well as output. Okay. Therefore, here I'll write serial number. Okay. 4 means 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then here I'll write A, B. A, B are inputs. A, B. For this, I'll write 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Understood, dear student? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, nice. A, B. Then here I'll write one more column. In this one more column, I will write A bar. Here I'll write B bar. Then I'll write here A, B bar, and A bar B. And final is your Y equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Understood, dear student?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Then, dear student, don't by heart all these answer. Just see, and then I will use a different color. See. A bar. What is the A? 0. Can I write A bar equal to 1? For
Why?
correspond. Yes. For again here 1. 0, 0. Is it correct, dear student?
How,
Understood?
sir?
Yes. See, what is the value for serial number 1? What is the value of A? 0. Therefore, here I will write 1. A bar. 1. 0.
Yeah, I got
Okay. B bar. Can you tell me what will be the B bar? Anyone?
1,
1. Very good. 1.
0,
0.
0. Very good.
1,
1.
0.
Superb, superb, superb. Thank you so much. And next is column is A into B bar. Dear student, what is the value of A? 0. What is the value of B bar? 1.
1,
0 into 1 is
0.
very good. What is next is 0 into 0 is 0. Then I will shift. Then next is, yes student,
0.
1 into 0. 1 into this 1 is
1, 1, 1,
and 1 into 0 is 0.
0.
Therefore,
0.
I will write here A into B bar 0, 0, 1 and 0. Is it correct, student? Next
Yes, sir.
column is for
Yes,
A
sir.
bar into B. Next column is A bar into B. I will use different color. What is the A bar? A bar is 1. What is the B?
1,
1. What is the B?
B, 0.
B is 0. So 0 into 1 is 0. What is the A bar? 1. What is the B? 1. 1 into 1 is
1.
1.
next is 0 into 0. 0. 1 into 0.
0.
0.
Yes, very good, very good. 1 into 0 is 0. And last E column is Y equal to AB bar means addition of these two columns. Addition of only these two columns. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 0 plus 0 is 0. And from this, we can conclude that, see, we can conclude that in XOR gate, you will get 1. In XOR gate, you will get output is equal to 1 if and only if any one of inputs equal to 1. Dekho. See, when both inputs are equal to 0, A and B equal to 0, you will get output 0. When both inputs are same, 1 and 1, you will get output 0. Means from this we can conclude that you will get value 1. 1 means high if and only if any one of these is at high. देखो a का value 0 है, b का value 1 है, you will get y equal to 1. In this case, a equal to 1, b equal to 0, you will get value equal to 1. Any one input is equal to, when any one input is equal to as is at logic high, you will get y equal to 1. Understood, dear student? This is the conclusion of XOR gate. Means when both inputs are same, see, when a equal to b equal to 0, output is 0. When a equal to b equal to 1, output is 0. Means you can say that, you can conclude that when both inputs are same, your output will be at, yes, dear student,
0.
yes, very good, is 0. 0 is also known as logic low, and 1 means logic high. Yes, dear student, understood up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your response, your support and cooperation. Okay?
Sir,
Yes, now if you have any query, you can ask. Yes, student.
सर ए बी
Hello,
बार
बोल.
और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करो
कौन सा बेटा? Shall I repeat this
सर
truth table?
सेकंड और थर्ड लाइन लास्ट
Okay, no problem. See,
बी बार
serial number 1 2 3 4 क्यों लिखा? ये देखो, कैलकुलेशन मैंने साइड में लिखा है. Okay, b equal to 0 1 0 1 equal to 0 0. Which number, serial number?
ए इंटू बी बार पूछ रहे हैं सर वो.
A into this part, this.
यहाँ से.
Okay, no problem. See, a into b bar, na? What is the value of a? 0. B bar is 1. 0 into 1 is 0. Next is a is 0. B bar is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. A is 1 and B bar is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. A is 1. B bar is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Understood, dear student? Hello.
यस सर
नहीं समझा? I will repeat.
Yes.
Don't take attention. Don't worry. देखो ना बेटा, a 1 कैसे आया? What is the value of a here? 1. B bar equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. A is 1. B bar is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Okay. Don't worry. I will convert into PDF and I will share with you all. Okay. And I think there is only, what is time now? I think there is only 1 minute. Just in next lecture, I will take what is the meaning of half adder. ये देखो. Okay. A half adder. I will take half adder and full adder. Okay. And these are the Boolean laws. Okay. Thank you so much, dear student. And just draw all
Thank you,
this.
sir.
Okay. And